So how's work?
Work is work. How's law school going?
Okay. You gotta study for finals next week. Oh, you know John Legend's gonna be here this weekend. You wanna go?
Oh, baby, I'm gonna have to get a rain check on that. You know I gotta work this weekend.
Well, you told me you wanted to go. That's why I bought the tickets. I'm getting my money back.
Why don't you just go with your friends? It ain't like you need me to be there with you.
I mean, we haven't spent any time together in a long time.
Girl, I gotta work these crazy hours.
That's all you do is work. You never spend any time with me anymore.
I'm here eating with you right now, ain't I? You so ungrateful.
Okay, Darius. I'll call one of my homegirls and see if they want to go to the concert with me. Whatever. Well, can you come to my house when you get off from work?
Look, man, I gotta see my mama first, and then I'm gonna call her.
Well, I was cooking your favorite dish, but okay, whatever.
Look, I gotta go. I'm not sure.
So you're not gonna give me a kiss? Hey, Shayna. What you doing? What you doing this weekend? You want to go see John Legend? I have 2 tickets. Oh, you can't go? Tell baby Shania I said hello. Okay. All right, girl. I'll take that rain check. All right. Bye. Hey, Tyrese. What's going on? You busy? Oh, really? What your weekend look like? Are you free? Cool. I have 2 tickets to go see John Legend. You down? Okay, cool. Yeah, over here cooking. You cooking? What you cooking? Ooh, that's my favorite. Yeah, I'll come over. Give me a minute. Okay, bye. Who is it?
Hey, baby, how's it going?
Oh, okay.
Now, you know, I've been thinking about what you've been saying,
Okay.
and I really do want to spend more time with you.
Okay.
So, I requested this weekend off, and I'm gonna go see John Legend with you. Now, it ain't too late now, is it? Now, you ain't went and got somebody else now, did you? Did you find somebody or not?
Where's your rain check?
his ears.